Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 6. Today we cover conditionals and logic. Learn to make your programs decide between actions. Comparison operators check relationships between values. They return true or false, which are Boolean values. If, elif, and else run different code based on the result. Let us create comparisons.py using NVIM. We convert the age input to an integer. If runs when age is 18 or above. Elif checks another condition. Else catches everything not matched. Boolean expressions work inside F strings. Let us review the code with that. Entering 25 means the adult branch runs. Logical operators combine multiple conditions. And requires both sides to be true. Or needs one side true and not flips a value. Let us create logic.py for weather decisions. We read the temperature and whether it is raining. And checks that both conditions are true at once. Not reverses the raining check to mean dry weather. Or triggers when either condition is true. We store the Boolean result in a variable for later use. Let us review and run the code. "90 degrees and no rain" means go to the pool. Let us build a quiz game as our mini project. It combines input, conditionals, and score tracking. Or lets us accept multiple valid answer formats. Let us create quiz.py for the quiz game. We start the score at 0 with a welcome message. Each question uses input to read the answer. Or accepts both lowercase and capitalized forms. The score increments for each correct answer. A second question follows the same pattern. An F string shows the final score. Let us review and play the quiz. Both correct gives a perfect score of 2 out of 2. Let us recap conditionals and logic. Comparisons return true or false. If, elif, else control code paths. And, or not combine conditions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore loops and iteration.